don't know if they're going to use it now or not. So I just bought this yesterday. Well, it came yesterday. And it didn't look very big, so I put an extension chain on it. But supposedly you put diesel fluid and a little bit of used motor oil in here. I just cut down some cedar trees and dug a hole. I used a post hole digger here. And then I tamped it. I got it, cedar in the ground. Use the tamper here. Tamp it down real good. And then put the chain up. And put one of them on each side of the chain. Like I said, the chain, it wasn't long enough. So I had an old chain here. So I put that around there. Well, it's okay, silly. But supposedly they'll walk under that. And that fluid will get, I'm hoping I got it up high enough for, you know, not too low, not too high for them. We tried to measure just staring at them. But supposedly that's going to keep the flies off of them and help control it. Because that poor bull had a lot of flies on him. So I'll keep an eye over here. That stuff's sharp metal too. That can't feel good on your tongue. But we'll keep an eye over here the next week or two and kind of see how it works out. I'll let everybody know if it works good. But and normally, like when we did fence posts and stuff in the city, you know, we used quickcrete to put in the hole. I didn't do that anytime. This is just dirt, and I just put it in there and tamped it. Hey, Danny girl. So we'll just kind of play it by ear and see how it works. Well, hey, Danny. Every time the side-by-sides come out here, she tries to walk up and smell it. I think she's a little too big to drive it still. You gonna come and smell it, John? See what you think? See the orange thing there was just the regular chain before I extended it. Or from one end of the orange to the other is exactly 30 inches. That didn't seem very big to me. And then each chain was 10.5 inches. So you got the 30 inches plus 10.5, 10.5. But we definitely extended it out. Because I want to make sure that the bull and the calves and all the heifers could walk through it and the cows. And I got down to 3 feet. But after we cut the trees down, they were still a little too heavy for me, so Joe comes over. This is the brute, we call him. He comes over and helped me carry the trees.
Hey. Yeah, I'm fixing to head back right now. Okay, well, you're going to be a few minutes late.
There's John. The other day, John was rubbing his head against the pig barn. But I thought he was going to lift the whole building up. But it looks like he likes his head rubbed. Flies get the heifers too, but nothing like they do that poor bull. But
I'll see you tomorrow.
I appreciate it, man.
You're welcome. Evidently the party got moved up.
Uh-oh. Be careful, I appreciate it. Sounds good. Here comes little man. And with his height, well, I don't know about the really little one, but the bigger little bull, he should be able to at least touch the mop head part. I know, Danny. Your son's okay. Tags is just hungry. She's waiting for Mama. Alicia was gonna feed grain earlier, but when I had those holes in the ground, I was scared the cows might fall in and break their leg or something. So they're probably half an hour, 40 minutes past their feeding time. So they're getting a little ornery about it, I guess. But till next time, God bless and take care.